What the Duck 180 is back again. Another chicken video. We're gonna call this Chicken on Goldie. Well, because we already did chicken on Baby Girl. We did. No, chicken on Curry Bird. Chicken on Curry Bird. Chicken on Goldie and Curry Bird. And that chicken. What do you want to say to the camera? You got anything to say to the camera? You got anything to say to the camera? Anything? Oh, don't peck it! Actually, do peck it. Guys, give me it! Don't you get out, you little chicken! Alright. This is the old bunny cage. R.I.P. Thump, R.I.P. Casey. Those are our old rats. Oh my god, they're frozen in there. Is that not concerning? Well, that egg's a goner. What the heck? Do you see that? Yeah, that egg's gone. Okay, this egg's good. Oh my god. Why are all these eggs so bad? How about this one? Yeah, this one's already cracked. My god, no eggs today? Jesus. This is why winter can suck if you're a chicken farmer. Okay, but that's not good. No cracks anymore. But them chickens aren't complaining. They're eating their own babies. Wow. Well, there's not a rooster though. So they're not cannibals. God. Do you have a self video today? Okay. So I'm recording myself. Please say there's some good eggs in here though. There has to be, right? Bro, there's no eggs in here. Oh, what's up? What's Harry Bear? Harry! That's Harry. Oh my god. And okay. All right. So we're gonna have a special guest coming. Oh, he's one of my friends, and he's gonna be on the video. All right, so we're just. I'm very cold out. But anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Once again, we are working to pass not AJ. If we do I'm doing the ice bucket challenge out here and it's cold. If we hit 20, I'm doing it. If we pass not AJ, I'm doing the ice bucket challenge. No, actually, if we pass not AJ, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a pool, like we have a pool, it's like the little kid pool. I'm gonna put ice in it. Hold up. No, he didn't honk for me. Let that guy honk. He's mean. Oh. And that'll be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free. Like, you're being mean. You're trying not to support me. Wow. Childish act. What if I pass Mr. Beast? Dog, that's not happening. But That's it. Bye. Peace out.